Namaskar all students. Today we are going to learn 10th Mathematics Part 2, Chapter number 1, Similarity. For that we revise some terms which are studied in the 8th or 9th standard also. First one, ratio. Suppose A and P are any two numbers. They are in the ratio m upon n, which are also written as m as to n. Then proportion. What is by proportion? You are also known there. So if ratio of numbers are equal, then the numbers are in proportion. Then you know length of a segment. Suppose AB as any segment of length 5 cm. So length of segment AB is 5 cm, means length of a segment is related to positive number, and area of any figure is also related to positive number. So area of a triangle, how to find? You know various formulae. From that, one of the formula is area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height, which is various time we have to use there. Second formula also you know there, Hero's formula. If base and height which is not given, length of three sides are given, then how to find area of a triangle? That is Hero's formula. Today we have to learn similarity of triangles. For that we will learn about ratio of areas of two triangles, properties. First property, which is asked to prove this property in board. So property number 1 is a ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of base and their corresponding heights. Once again listen carefully. Property number 1, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of base and their corresponding heights. So this is the property, that is the theorem which is asked in the board question paper. So theorem property is asked for proof. We have to draw the figure. So two triangles, triangle ABC, and second one triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, we draw altitude from vertex A to the side BC, which is the height of triangle ABC, and side BC is the base of triangle ABC. So altitude drawn from vertex P to the side QR, that is segment PS, is the height of triangle PQR, and side QR is the base of triangle PQR. So for property number 1 is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of base and their corresponding sides. So from the figure you have to draw the given in the form of word. So given in triangle ABC, segment AD perpendicular to side BC, and triangle PQR, segment PS perpendicular to side QR. That is given there. Okay, we have to prove here the ratio of areas of these two triangles. So ratio means you know division. So here to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. This is the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding sides. So in triangle ABC, BC is the base and AD is the height. So is equal to product means BC into AD divided by. So in triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. The product of these two means QR into PS. we have to prove this by using formula to find the area of a triangle. So proof. 1. Find the area of triangle by using formula 1 upon 2 is equal to base into height. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2, base is BC and height is AD is equal to BC into AD. Give it equation number 1. Similarly, we get area of triangle PQR. So what is the area of triangle PQR? Correct. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into QR, that is the base, into PS, height, equation number 2. So always you have to focus on two proof part. So what is the two proof part? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. How to get it? So for that we have to look in the proof equation number 1 and 2. So left hand side of two proof part we get here by dividing by equation 1 and 2. So that's why further statement is there. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. So equation 1 divided by equation 2. So therefore you have to divide left hand side of equation 1 to the left hand side of equation 2. So therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, so divide right hand side of equation 1 by right hand side of equation 2. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC into AD divided by 1 upon 2 into QR into PS. So always you have to look on the two proof part, that is your final stop is there. Okay, so area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, already you can get there. So right hand side is not getting there. So look at in the right hand side. Look at towards the right hand side. So there is a same factor in the numerator and denominator. So you know by simplification, if same factor at numerator and denominator, that get cancelled. So here 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, same factor in the numerator and denominator, they get cancelled. So what we get here? Therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. That is two proof part is there. We get here at this step. So proof is completed. So from that property what we know? Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. This property is shortly written as suppose A1 is area of triangle first, that is triangle ABC, divided by A2. A2 means area of second triangle, that is triangle PQR, is equal to B1 is the base of first triangle into H1, that is height of first triangle, divided by B2 into H2. B2 and H2 are the base and height of the second triangle. So in shortly this property we get A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. We have to use this shortly property to solve the examples. So what we know from this property? This is the very important property to study the similarity of two triangles. First property number 1, that is ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights.